Welcome back to the Westminster Collection and welcome to our latest unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing something really special, the Sir Winston Churchill silver-proof £5 coin set. Let's take a look. This set has been officially approved for release by Buckingham Palace and His Majesty King Charles III, and it combines 3 issuing authorities, 2 special design quirks and 1 important anniversary, the 150th anniversary of Sir Winston Churchill's birth. Our first coin depicts Churchill in front of 10 Downing Street, which is of course the iconic headquarters of Britain's Prime Minister. Remembered for his leadership, Churchill served 2 terms as Prime Minister and navigated the nation during World War II. Now, this coin has been issued by Guernsey and, like the remaining coins in this collection, has been struck from sterling silver and polished to a pristine proof finish. The second coin has been issued by the Isle of Man and includes an illustration of Churchill in one of the famous war rooms, where he would have devised crucial wartime strategies and made strategic decisions that contributed to the Allied victory. Before we go on, let's zoom in on the first special design quirk that you'll see on all 3 coins. Designer David Young has included this special 150 motif on each design to honour the 150th anniversary of Churchill's birth. What's more, these special motifs bring all 3 coins together perfectly. Onto the final coin, and this one has been issued by Jersey and shows Churchill outside the grounds of his home, Chartwell House. But that's not all. You'll notice that this coin, like the others, includes a distinctive bulldog mark on the outer rim of the coin, which is a nod to Churchill's nickname as the British Bulldog. Each set arrives in a deluxe presentation case, and I must warn you that only 750 complete collections have been authorised for release. So, as you can see, this set really is the perfect tribute to Britain's legendary wartime leader, bringing together 3 issuing authorities and 2 unique design features. You can secure the complete silver-proof £5 set for an initial payment of just £29.95 today. Visit the link on screen now to place your reservation. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.